Hello friends, Happy New Year! May God give you a lot of happiness, peace and joy this year and you get abundant love and happiness coming your way. So let's start this video. So the first thing I did this year was I went to Ikea. So this was a long pending visit. Actually I wanted to visit for a very long time. So finally we visited yesterday and I got few things which I really liked. And yeah, so let's get started. I'll show you what all I get. So the first one is this handmade pot handler. This is made of macrame by some women artisans. I will also put the links of all these products in the description box so you can check it out. So I got 2 pieces of each. So then I got this sifter. So this is actually very handy if you make soups or even for when you make, like when you do any baking. So generally, at least it happens with me, when I sift the flour it goes all over the place. So this is like this. Let me show you. So and there is, it comes with a handle. You can just, it's very satisfying. The sound is very nice. Then I got this wiper. It's like for mirrors. It comes in very handy. Then there is this tea light holder. I found it very cute, so I took it. And this is like all, it comes out. So here you can put the tea light, and this is like a chimney for it. Then I got a pack of these, so you would obviously know about this. So these are very handy. So these are small clips you can put in for the packets which are open to keep the food item fresh. Then we got some tea towels. So these were very cute prints. So generally I couldn't find any cute print tea towels on Amazon or anywhere. So I found these and I got it. So this is in green shade. Then I got these 2 brackets. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me just open one and show you. Yeah. So this is like this. So I got one set. So this is 300 rupees per bracket. So this is like 600 rupees too. And you put a shelf on top of it. So it gives a very traditional kind of shelf, and it was very nice. They had it on display, so I got 2. I did not get a shelf to go along with it. But yeah. Then I got this mister. So another cute purchase. So I didn't need it. But this is so nice. It's made of glass, and the top is, I think, plastic. But it's a plant mister. Then this cute flower pot or a vase and a single artificial flower. I'm not a big fan of plastic artificial flowers, but I just got this one and another one because I really liked it. So this is another vase I got, and this is another set of flowers. So I already have a lot of vases, and every day getting proper flowers it's not possible. So I got this one which I used once in a while, but yeah. Then I got few lights. So this is one of them. So it's a wall light. So it'll be like this. It'll be like this. So this will be this will go on wall, and this will come out like this. I'll show you once we put this up. And this is another lamp. This was very cute. So most of the purchases are something which I really like. So this will be like this table lamp. Then I got another light. So I'll show these big products once we put it up on the wall. So this is another wall or ceiling light. You can put it up either like this or like this. But because of the ripped glass, the effect of the light comes out very nice. This is basically a dish mat. So all the glass cups and all, you can keep them to dry, and once it is dried, then you can fold it up and keep it back. Then this is a salad spinner. It comes in very handy for the leafy greens, and you can just rotate them. So the reason I got it was just there's a lot of leafy greens like spinach and fenugreek leaves, which you use to make saag and everything. So you can actually wash them and dry them and keep it in fridge for a couple of days, like maybe a 1 day or 2 day. Then we got, yeah, so this is another very cute purchase. So this comes in a set of 3. So this is actually what do you call, a cloth hanger. So this goes on a wall like this, and you can hang your clothes. So this is a set of 3 chairs. So I found it very cute, so I got it. So this is LED strips we got, and then there's this section called Ikea 365 Plus. So they have a whole range of products, mostly home organization, pantry organization products, which come under this range, and they have various sizes also. So these are the 2 sizes I got. So this is 2.3 liters, and this is 1.3 liter. So the good part about this storage is it is airtight, and it comes with this kind of lid, so you can easily pour things out of this. And the third thing for which actually I got, otherwise I use glass jars, but the reason I got these are sleek and tall, so these take less space, and you can stack them on top of each other. So yeah, so I'll be doing another video for pantry organization, so this is a part of that. So I got these 3, and these 2 were on sale, so I got it very cheap, I think 179 or something per piece. So next up are these jars. So this is I think 1 liter, 1.3 liter jar. This was again on sale, same 179 or something, or 119. I'll put the price on the top of the video. So these are airtight. I got actually 2 more sets, which I already have snacks in, so I'm not going to show you, but that is like a half liter, the half of this one, and those are airtight. So you can use these to keep your biscuits and snacks and cookies. So next up is this ice tray. So this is vehicles and fishes and sharks. So my son loves fishes, so I got it for him to make some jellies or something for him. This is a planter stand. You can also keep, I also have this 5 liter glass jar with a tap, so to make something, and some kind of detox drink or something, you can put it, and juices you can put on the table. Then I also got some string, because I do a lot of DIY and I love this type of strings, and it was easily available. It was some 49 bucks, so I got this. And this is a set of 3. These are basically planters, tin planters, and this is an aluminium or tin, and you can just paint it, and you can decorate your garden using this. So this was I think 99 each, and there's 2 more which are already painted. So it's a set of, basically these are 2 red, and these are like 3. Then this is another LED light. Another cute purchase. I'll show you. Coffee please. So this we got for Americano, or basically these are very, very cute. So it's a set of 4 cup and saucers, so we got these, and it has a lot of colors, mostly pastel colors, and every color was nice, so you can pick and choose. Then I got these 2 table mats. So this was something which was like, it was made in India. I just got them. So these are basically table mats, I think 49 each. And then this is a cloth organizer. You can use it to organize your socks, and you can just keep it in your clothes drawer and use it. Then I got this real plant. So this is chrysanthemum, and look, a lot of flowers and buds were there. So I got it in, I think, 149. So then comes, so this is a bath mat. So I got 1 of this. Then this is another home organization product. So this is a collapsible box. So once you open it, it becomes like this, and there's a net in front of it. So you can keep your clothes, maybe winter clothes or something which you are not using that often, and you can put it away. So it'll look nice and it'll be organized. So I got 2 of these. Then I got a bed sheet as well. I didn't need one, but the print was really nice. The fabric quality is very nice. Cloth feel was very nice, very soft, and the print was using pastel colors. So I got another home organizer set. So it was a set of 7 pieces. So 6 I've already used, even though I just got it yesterday, so I've already put it away. So this was set of like 2 of these and different sizes and set of 7 pieces, and it comes with a zip at the bottom, so you can zip it up and it will become a box like this. So now it's a box, and whenever you're not using it, you can open the zip and you can collapse it and keep it. Then I got 2 photo frames. So my son is doing a lot of activities in his school now, and I want to put it up because it gives him encouragement. So these are 2 tea light holders. So this is in glass and it's in the ribbed glass form. So it's very nice. And 1 candle, small candle, because I already got a lot of candles from Amazon. So yeah, so Ikea has a huge candle section and the fragrance there is amazing. So you can pick and choose, but I just got one. This is another vase. It's also in this ribbed fashion, so it looks very nice. It comes in 2 sizes. This is 12 centimeter. There's one smaller and 9 centimeter, and this also comes in black finish. So I like the green one, so I got green. Then comes the wall clock. So this is like dotted thing, and my husband really liked it, so we got it. And organizers. So I guess famous for its organization. So these are some of the boxes I got. So this is one of the boxes I got mainly for my paints and colors, and the lids are sold separately. So this is one of that. Then a set of these 2 for pantry organization. And this is another one, again for you can use. We have a lot of small toys and everything, and I cannot use glass or any metal stuff for my son's toys. So I had to buy plastic, so I got plastic. And so these are boxes, small boxes, and I got lids for them separately. So I got 6 of them. And yeah, so very important purchase. So this is a spatula which my son picked, and this is the only item he picked, and he really wanted to get it, so we got it. So this is another set of glasses. So I always wanted these colored glasses. I saw first time I think a lot of years back in Friends, and I always wanted the colored ones, but they were always with LED. I never found a LED free colored glass option. So Ikea had one, so we got a set of 4, and it comes in teal color and I think green and black as well. Then I got this silicone lids. So this is very good to keep your food fresh, and it's like a bit slightly, I'm not sure, magnet, but it sticks to your bowl. So see, so this is like completely airtight, and when you have to remove it, you put it like out from the edge and it comes back. And another set of these silicone lids. So this comes in a set of 3, and these are 3 different sizes. So what it does is it does the same thing. So whenever you have to keep something fresh, or for example you have to keep your chai hot and you can't drink it right away, so you can put it, you can stretch it and you can cover this thing, so it will remain completely fresh and spill proof. So this is another poster we got for our son. This is just alphabet poster. So, and the last item we got from Ikea was this shelving unit. So I did not find the drawers for these, so I got the boxes. Basically you can hang it on the wall, and you can put boxes here with different things, and you can label it. So all the small toys like puzzles and colors and everything can go in its dedicated box. It'll be easier for organization, and it'll look nicer as well. So there's a secret hack of Ikea. So for this item and this item, and I think a couple of LEDs, so that is something which requires a whole video on its own. So I'll make another video for that secret Ikea hack. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. So this was my Ikea haul. Please let me know how you liked it, and drop in comments, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy New Year.